Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cavs and Songs. Today I am going to make eggless super easy strawberry shortcake themed cupcakes. So let's start. In a bowl add half cup of curd or yogurt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well and keep it aside for few minutes. Line your cupcake tray with cupcake liners and this recipe will give you 6 cupcakes. Now in another bowl take half cup or 1/3 cup chopped strawberries. According to your taste add sugar. If you don't have caster sugar or fine sugar, you can simply pulse your normal granulated sugar and it will work perfectly. Mix your strawberries and sugar very well. Don't leave it for too long or your strawberry will start to leave its juices and which can end up making your cupcake soggy. You can even skip this step and just add chopped strawberries. Preheat your oven at 180 degree on bake mode for 10 to 15 minutes and place your baking tray or wire rack in the middle placement. Now in a large bowl we will start making a cupcake batter. So add 1/3 cup of fine sugar, and 1/4 cup of flavorless oil. Now vigorously mix this until it is super fluffy. This step will ensure that we incorporate a lot of air in our batter for super fluffy and moist cupcakes. Now we need to add our curd or yogurt mixture which is super bubbly right now. Adding this into our batter will give us very soft cupcakes. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract. Whisk till well combined and smooth. Now we will sift in our dry ingredients. Add 3/4 cup of refined flour or maida. Add half teaspoon of baking powder. Now sift all your dry ingredients in once. Sifting dry ingredients will make your batter more airier and fluffier. Using whisk or spatula, mix it until no lumps are visible and you will get a smooth batter. Finally, using a spatula, scrape your bowl for even mixing and your batter is even throughout. Now in your lined cupcake tray, add your batter halfway up. Now add a spoonful of your chopped strawberries which we have kept earlier. Don't add the juice of your strawberries or your cupcake will be soggy. Now evenly distribute the leftover batter in your cupcake liners. If you want, you can even add choco chips on top of it. Now in your preheated oven, bake these for 20 to 25 minutes. I accidentally baked my cupcakes for 5 more minutes so they are little more brown. But they taste amazing. Open your oven door slightly so your cupcake will not deflate and let them be there for 5 minutes. Cover and let it cool for 10 minutes more. Now remove them from the cupcake tray and cool them further. Now I have transferred my cupcakes into a glass dish on which I will decorate my cupcakes further, but now I will refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes. If you will not chill your cupcakes, they will break apart like this. Now after chilling your cupcakes, now we will decorate it. It is optional, you can enjoy your cupcakes like that only. Decoration is very easy, just you need is white melted chocolate. I have also added strawberries cut into heart shape. Now using a spoon or piping bag, drizzle some chocolate over your cupcakes. These cupcakes are looking very delicious. Decorate your cupcakes according to your wish. They didn't have to be perfect. Now finally I will put some sprinkles on top. It is totally optional. Cupcakes are looking very beautiful, so let's taste it. How fluffy a cupcake is turned out, and it is not at all soggy. Let's taste it. Super moist, fluffy and flavorful. It totally tastes like strawberry shortcake and with that hint of chocolate that we have put on top. Do try it once, you will love it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to turn on notification bell. Till then, goodbye.